B7. Come on, B7. Oh my gosh. Bingo! Oops. I hope no one was using the Loud and Clear headset. That could have been embarrassing.
That's right. The Loud and Clear headset will amplify noise so you can hear clearly. You can take long nature walks and hear the wonderful sound of clear cutting. You can hear a pin drop from across the room. You can easily hear people around you.
Sweetheart, for the 13th time, we are on Diamond.
You can use it in lectures, movies, shows, and even use it to hear the brutal metal music at church. With your supersonic hearing from the Loud and Clear headset, it will make gathering neighborhood gossip easier than ever. You can watch things on your TV without waking up your wife. You can listen to your kids and talk at the same time. Listen to the wonderful sounds of nature and admire our skills at reusing footage. With Loud and Clear, you can snoop with ease.
Oh my gosh, that guy is like such a creeper.
You can blow your eardrums out with the overwhelming sound of the crowd cheering. Loud and Clear will make you more aware of your surroundings and keep you safe. And again, don't pay attention to us reusing footage from earlier in the commercial. Bottom line is, you don't have to spend a fortune on Loud and Clear.